Good day, how are you doing? With you, Yaroslav Shvets. Welcome to my cool and healthy kitchen. Basically, almost a kitchen. So, a lot of people like use the dips, different kind of sauces, what make food taste different and amazingly taste good. So, what about really famous dips like sweet chili? For make sweet chili, we need the chili. We cut it in pieces, add a little bit of water, add sugar, boil it up, and we have the amazing sauce. But it will be not that healthy. Chemical process, sugar, etc. So we can do it in a healthy way. It will be taste a little bit different, but still good enough. Instead of sugar, we use honey. Some people use a syrup, like corn syrup, coconut sugar syrup, but still, it goes through the chemical process, so it will be already processed sugar. So I don't see any big difference with normal sugar. So we'll put the honey. Cool if you can find some honey with not really strong aroma and not get solid yet. So we just do it for demonstration. Then we just put the chili powder, mix it up. That's it. Super simple. In my case, chili powder was finished. So for all people who didn't buy the blender, mixer, juice machine and so on, we'll do like our grand parents classic way, maybe not. Yeah, by the way, if you have a lot of chili or any other kind of greens, whatever, like a lot, you can put it in the sun and dry it up, and after, yeah, it's not what you think, it's just dried greens. It's quite enough, I guess. Some people like a super spicy. I just make it like natural way. So let's take some time. Okay, our homemade flour is ready. Just mix it up. That's it. It's ready. Less than in 5 minutes. You've done it at home and it looks just amazing. And you can leave it overnight. So basically honey will be mixed up with the chili and it's made like kind of spicy taste. Let's try it out. For now I can feel it's just a little bit spicy, but I will leave it for overnight and this will be way more spicy. And it's super healthy in a simple way. So basically all of the sauces you like, you can repeat it at home and make it in a really healthy way. So if you like tomato sauce, canned tomato, onion, garlic, chili, any other spices, whatever, put in a blender. That's it. Easy. Same you can make experiment with some green sauces, like with the onion, put it in a blender, add some other spices, and so on. So that's why I have like so different kind of different spices, not only like turmeric or curry and so on, like way more. So always you can make hundreds of combinations of even one dish. Okay, hope you like it. If you don't like, don't comment, don't subscribe, don't comment it and don't share it. If you do, I'll see you next time.